Hello, my dear friends. An ancient Japanese youth trick that removes wrinkles, fades dark spots, and tightens the skin, even at 70. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 small piece of banana nourishes the skin and restores elasticity. Subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. Benefit: this mask moisturizes, smooths wrinkles, and brightens dull areas. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments where you are watching from. Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 teaspoon of milk. Rich in lactic acid that softens and renews the skin. This mask tightens the skin, removes dead cells, and adds natural glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 teaspoon of melted shea butter nourishes deeply and improves elasticity. This mask softens dry skin, restores smoothness, and reduces fine lines. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour. A few grapes, rich in antioxidants that fight aging and improve tone. This mask refreshes tired skin, reduces pigmentation, and tightens pores. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Massage gently. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 tablet of activated charcoal cleanses pores and removes impurities. Add water to make a paste. This mask detoxifies the skin, reduces blackheads, and gives a fresh look. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use once or twice a week for deep cleansing. Sixth recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Hydrates and soothes the skin. A few drops of vitamin E rejuvenates and improves texture. This mask calms irritation, adds glow, and keeps the skin smooth and soft. How to use. Apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching.